Now revision. Revision. This is the lesson 7. Lesson 7. What is the, I think, housing and clothing. Housing and clothing. Housing and clothing. And in this lesson, now you open page number 47. We have to revise, fill in the blanks. And in which we discuss about the house is a place where we live safely and comfortably. Proper drainage system is needed for taking away dirty water and the other liquid wastes. Our home is the source of our happiness and food. Tight clothes hinder free movement and the growth. And next, fifth, cotton clothes absorb sweat easily. And also we studied right T for true and F for false. First, we studied a house gives us shelter and the comfort. Yes, it is correct. Next, garbage from the house should be put in an open container. No, it is incorrect because garbage from the house should be kept in an closed container. Garbage must be kept in a closed container. So open container is the incorrect. So this statement is incorrect. Next, use a germ killer while mopping the floor. Yes, it is correct because floors may contain so many germs. So if during mopping we are using the germ killer, so germs which are found on the floors and that causes the diseases, they will be destroyed. Now, wear dark colored clothes in summer. No, because dark color absorb more sunlight, so we cannot wear the dark color in the summer, but we can wear dark colored clothes only in the winter season. For the summer season, we should wear light colored clothes. So this statement is also the incorrect. Now next, clothes must be washed into a good soap. Yes, it is correct. After wearing, the clothes may contain so many germs and it must be washed with a good soap. So these are true and false. Now answer the following. What is the main use of mesh doors and windows in a house? I have seen the house contains mesh door and windows. What is use of mesh door? Mesh door prevent the entry of the mosquitoes and insects inside the house. Mesh door prevents the entry of mosquitoes and other insect inside the house, and while windows help in the movement of air inside the room. Windows are responsible for the ventilation. Windows causes the ventilation inside the room, by which fresh air comes inside the room and foul air moves away from moves out from the room. So winds are necessary and mesh doors both are necessary. Why do we need a proper drainage system in a house? Why do we need a proper drainage system in a house? because if there is no proper drainage system, the dirty water that remain in our houses, that water may be breeding site for the mosquitoes and other disease causing organism. So it is necessary to have a proper drainage system by which the dirty water may be removed from our the house. Why do we say that our house is a source of our the happiness? Why it is called as the source of our the happiness? Because house provide us almost all the facilities, and we feel comfortable in the house. We feel comfortable in a house. House protect us from the adverse atmospheric condition, from the wild animals, from the sun, from the rain, etc. And it provide a pleasant, so it is called as the house of our the happiness. Next, why is cleanness of house necessary? Why it is necessary to clean out the houses? Because clean house keep us away from the pathogens, from the diseases, and clean house and inside the clean house looking very nice. So you can read more lines from the book and completely learn you. Why do we need clean clothes to wear? Why do we need clean clothes to wear? Because clean clothes keeps up protect us from the pathogens, and it makes us smart. So there are the few questions. So you learn by your the notebook. I have already given you question answer. So after this lesson, we are going to start revision next lesson, that is 9, lesson 9, soil. Now open page number 49. 49 you see, that is page number 49, that is the soil. Soil 49 over 3. As 49 you see, lesson, now you see lesson 9. Lesson 9, soil. Next lesson you see lesson 9, soil. We have already studied this lesson about the soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth, is called the soil, and soil is formed by the weathering of the rocks. This weathering takes place by the action of the sun, by the water, by the winds, and by the wind, water, soil, sun, wind, water, and the animals' activities. And also studied about the kinds of the soil. We studied about the sandy soils. A sandy soil is made up of rough particles of sand. Sand particles are large in size, and there is a lot of space between them. After that, we study clay soil. So clay soil, I told you that it is made up of fine particles, and this soil is used for making the earthen parts and the toys, etc. And loamy soil is a mixture of fine particles of sand, clay, and the humus. This soil has the optimum water holding capacity and sufficient amount of the humus. So this soil is best for the growing crops and the planting the tree, etc. And different layers of the soil. I told you about the topsoil, subsoil, and the bedrock. The soil consists of three layers: topsoil, that is uppermost layer, and is the topsoil. And this soil contains the humus, and in this layer, plants remain standing. And subsoil, this layer is found just below the topsoil, and this topsoil is light in the color and made up of the broken rock pieces, and last row is called the bedrock, that is the innermost layer of the soil. And also told you about the uses of the soil. So told you soil is used for the agriculture, for the planting tree, for making the houses, for making the bricks, for making the toys, and these are some uses of the soil. So also told you about the what have you learned. So soil is uppermost layer of the earth in which plants grow. Soil is formed by the breaking of rocks. Breaking of rocks or weathering of rocks is done by heat of the sun, heavy rain, cold weather, and roots of the trees. Soil is made up of particles of different sizes. Soil contains water and air. Soil also contains organic matter called humus. Soil is mainly of three kinds: sandy, clay, and loamy. Different layers of the soil are topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. And next, different type of the plants grow in different layers of the soil. Soil is home of many animals. So that's for today. Next day we will try to solve the worksheet 9. So read worksheet 9 and read with me next day. Thank you.